We back.
What's up,
Family
guys?
Guy, best of season 21.
Yes.
Let's get to it.
I had the most random dream. Peter, you wanted to go swimming in our pool, which of course we don't have.
Uh-huh.
You had this ridiculously giant towel.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and get this, it had Nemo on it.
Oh boy, that is some dream.
And
How you
he
gonna
was
drive the
wearing
car?
giant sunglasses. Oh, and he had cats for some reason.
Uh-huh. Yep, I backed up all the way into the show before us. Wife talking about a dream.
That is hilarious. Yeah, we need to react to Bob's Burgers. But that is funny. It backed up into the show before us.
I've never seen Bob's.
Homer, you've got company.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Why are there two sets of prices?
One's the Emmy winner discount.
Oh.
Black coffee and toast, please.
We begin with a reading from the Russian Orthodox Bible. And Jesus said to Mikhail, "The radio you sold me last week does not work." Mikhail said to him, "How do I know you didn't break it on purpose to get your money back?" Then they got in a fist fight on the bus. Amen. Amen. I now pronounce Ukraine
This is
actually
crazy.
part of Russia. And I also pronounce you husband and wife. You may share a joyless kiss.
whoa.
Hey, Bon, you busy?
Get the pump?
I thought Joe's lower body does not work. What the hell happened?
No need. Let's do this.
Lois Griffin, you are adding spice to that marriage. Wow, look at me, making a difference for those in need.
Would you like to add $1 to your bill to fight cancer?
No, I gave a disabled guy an erection. Can you
No
come
problem.
upstairs and tell me if this gray chicken smells funny?
Be right up, babe. Oh, man, this is worse than...
Wait, what are we supposed to do in this cutaway?
I don't know. I didn't understand the setup.
Well, we have to do something.
I mean, you do have a long neck, and I have fangs. Maybe something in that area?
Maybe we just wait to hear what the grown men who write for cartoons say.
Donkey Kong sucks. I could build the same game on our house.
Donkey Kong house?
That is crazy.
Sorry I put you in a dress, Stewie. We needed a damsel.
Hey, do I look upset?
Barrel! Barrel! Barrel!
What is all this noise? I'm trying to buy everything on Amazon in here.
Barrel!
Ah, my foot! Oh, I think it's broken.
Uh-oh, next level.
He's running away.
One of the perks of a cross-country trip is stopping for a meal and meeting the friendly folks who make up the heart and soul of our country. Hello, we're from the Northeast.
Shit.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Trump!
Trump.
Then I said, ain't that the punchline to an anecdote?
That stall is for the differently abled, you know.
But how do you know it's not a handicapped person in there?
Look, no chair, no crutches. Whoever's in there definitely shouldn't be. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure you are. Hey, you mind flushing for me, pal? No arms over here.
Well, I suppose it's the least I could do. Oh my God, it's bigger than you.
It's bigger than you.
Okay, now to
Where does it come
loudly
out?
watch this Aaron Sorkin masterclass.
Hi, I'm Aaron Sorkin, and I've been paid a lot of money to give you false hope about your ridiculous dream.
We now return to House Hunters Australia.
So I carve boomerangs, and my wife is an 11-inch spider. Our budget is $7 million. We're looking for something close to the city centre, but with enough natural light so that we can maintain our sunburns.
And just look at these spacious walk-in closets.
Crikey, I might have to buy a second shirt.
I can't believe Peter's lost his voice. How's he gonna insult Meg now?
Well, I don't know if it's gonna work, but he brought a whiteboard.
Yeah,
ball. Peter, quick, write something mean. You're doing to this game what R. Kelly did to all the... Yeah, no, I'm not saying the rest of that.
Pumpkin spice.
And how the hell is Quagmire the one with moral compass?
Do not say these things.
Back from a female British pop band.
Quit tossing your scarf over your shoulder to punctuate your jokes.
You know what, Peter? I like me. Look, guess your weight. With a line that long, I'll guess my own weight. 30 minutes. Oh, see you in a few. Got scarfed up.
Having a little trouble this morning.
No, I'm doing great. Look, I already got Stewie and Brian changed.
Ow.
Shit.
Not only did I not give away your book, I'm launching an investigation, and I'm gonna nail the guy who did it. Uh-huh. And maybe it's more than one guy. Maybe it's a ring. A deep ring I can only penetrate by nailing a bunch of guys.
Wait, are you still talking about my book?
Oh, yeah. Maybe it's too many guys for me, and I have to bring in a private dick. Close the door on your way out, Brian. I need privacy to think about dicks for hire.
Oh, I was about to say he looks amazing.
Oh my God, this is worse.
I feel amazing. Like a bride on his wedding day. At last,
Oh my God, look at that flap.
my love has
He
come
forgot his neck.
along.
I'm your mother. I can feel your lies in my ovaries.
The doctor said those were cysts.
From your lies?
You're not gonna talk, Lois. I say we hook him up to the lie detector.
Peter, that's not a lie detector. That's a ride-on sex machine.
It is? Well, got me to sing like a bird.
Stop rolling it into rooms.
Got me to sing like a bird.
Oh, yeah, you see, yeah.
Don't
that's
test me, starling. A census taker did that once, and I ate his liver with
Why does he
dried
look like Joe
Cheerios and a
Pesci?
mashed up banana.
You can't go through here. It's only for people who work for Miss Ryan.
You have to let me through. I'm Ed Sheeran.
You're not Ed Sheeran. You're a weird-looking baby with an English accent. Oh, my God. Right this way, Mr. Sheeran.
Daddy, I sort of lost Tatum.
You what?
I swear it was an accident.
Don't worry, Lois. We'll split up and look for her.
On it.
Damn it, Chris. Now that's gonna be in our Fox promo.
Sorry, Dad.
Tonight on Fox, Chris Griffin meets Chris Griffin?
Ah, there it goes.
Sorry. Hey, where's Dad? He said he was gonna help me with my science fair project.
Up here, kids.
He has sucking boobs.
It's like Rick Ross.
Thoughts?
We're gonna call you Mr. Skin.
Mom.
Oh, really? We'll call you something else.
Well, there's two things you can do from here. Break it off or go full scumbag. If you're interested in going scumbag, I sell a starter kit. It includes a second phone, fake addresses, and some golf shirts.
I don't golf.
Nobody does. Golf was invented purely so husbands can cheat on their wives. A 6-hour game in a completely different town where you need special shirts? I don't think so. Good afternoon, I'm Tom Tucker, live on the scene at Newport Zoo, where a young girl has fallen into the gorilla pit. The zoo wrangler, or a man in khaki shorts I can only assume is an expert, is now being lowered into the pit to rescue the child. And is now being ripped limb from limb. Oh, hang on. He appears to be okay and is now exiting the pit. No, correction, that's just his fate.
Jesus Christ. They ripped him from asshole to appetite.
Say, could you direct me to your town's banana district?
So now it's 2 a.m., the bars are closed, and we are all still quite divorced. Can you provide us with more alcohol? I don't know. Let me check the rules. Oh. I don't know why they wrote the card that way.
Are you sure you can't let us in? I'll show you a picture of a naked student.
That's my son.
Oh, well, I have others.
Why is your son naked in another man's phone? That's crazy.
No, that's him again. That's also him. Okay, these are all Chris.
Is everyone okay?
I swallowed my retainer, but I'll do a little stool fishing later.
Straight flush. You got a strip.
What about tonight?
What?
Oh, did you say I'm never gonna get out of here?
No, I was telling my horse to get naked.
Oh, My mama always said life was like a box of good and plenty. Most people just throw it away.
We paid a lot of money for that house, and taking the ass end of a shampoo bottle barely makes a dent into their home.
There, definitive proof that your mother always describes big things as being smaller than they are. Did you hear that, Chris?
We've all seen it, Dad. Aw, we never know what you're gonna do. It's usually silly or dangerous, but it's also kind of awesome.
Yeah. Remember when he had tiny arms for like 3 months?
Or when he brought home that horse, or that falcon, or that parrot. A lot of illegal animals.
Or when that little guy lived in his neck. What the hell was that?
Every few years, he fights a giant chicken and destroys a city. No one's named a good thing yet.
Step into it.
That was crazy.
That was good. Not crazy, but that was good. I prefer my Family Guy compilation like clips to be 8 minutes or less. Because it's so much, what's this thing?
It's a lot at once.
Yeah, But yeah, I like my punchlines to be like this. But yeah, that was Family Guy.
Best of season 21.
Yeah.
I haven't watched Family Guy episodes in a long time. I need to get back to them. But anyway, guys, please give us a like. Please give us a subscribe. Let's get to 500 really quick. Watch all the videos that we have for now. Let's go.